has and have. In this video, we are going to look at the difference between these two words, when to use has and when to use have. Has and have can be used as a helping verb. They are also used to show possession in a sentence. When to use has. Has is used with pronouns he, she, it, and singular nouns. Have. Have is used with pronoun I, you, we, they, and the plural nouns. Now let's look at some examples with the rule on top. He has a ball. Here we're talking about he, so it goes with has. He has a ball. She has a school bag. She is in the rule box and should always be used with has. She has a school bag. It has 4 legs. It is in the rule box, so we use it with has. It has 4 legs. Jack has a bicycle. Here, Jack is a singular noun, so we use singular nouns with has. Jack has a bicycle. Now, let's look at some sentences using have. I have a toy car. I goes with the rule have. I have a toy car. We have a beautiful house. With we are talking about many, so we use have. We have a beautiful house. You have an orange dress. You is in the rule box, so we use have. You have an orange dress. The kids have a green jeep. Kids are plural nouns. The kids have a green jeep. They have a green jeep. They also is in the box, so they have a green jeep. Remember that has is used with he, she, it, and singular, while have is used with I, you, we, they, and the plural. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.